What's going on, everybody? Saturday night live from Charting Crypto. What's popping, guys? What a wild ride this is. What a wild ride. 1 2 1 2. If everything sounds good, let me get that music back up and rocking, man. We had a great night last night. Tonight's gonna be even better, right? We got 24 people in the chat already, and I haven't even started scribbling on the screen yet. Good stuff, good stuff. Oh, let's get the music back going. Come on, come on. Get the music back, homie. I'm trying, Trickster. I'm trying, brother. Ah, come on. Let me refresh it. Y'all, there we are. There we go. Let's get some music going. So 1 2 1 2. The music's not overpowering my annoying ass voice. Give me a 1 2 1 2. What's up, Moon Suitor? Yes, I was supposed to do a live stream in my moon suit, wasn't I? I was. I gotta figure out why. 1 second, guys. Sorry. We'll get into some TA. We will. I just gotta figure out why. Not the right. Yeah, I guess it really isn't the right time yet. Can't call it early, right? You can't call it early. That's like saying you won when you got 20 on blackjack and then the dealer gets 21, right? Can't do that. Figure out where my music's coming from so I can fix it. For some reason it's not going to the next one. I don't want to stay here just playing one. So what are we gonna listen to? Hype bass. That's what we're gonna listen to. Hope you guys like hype bass. All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Charting Crypto Saturday Night Live. We got VNex Production TV in the house, Rising Sun, Xavier, Flip Coins in the house, River Hudson, Ahmad, Alex, River again, Trick Ricka. We got Chef Natron in the house. What's going on, brother? Samuel Freed, Humane Crypto, and Lone Shark. How's everybody doing tonight? How is everybody doing? Oh, kicking it off, man. Not even giving me a chance to breathe here. And Shaw comes in with the $20 super chat. Do you think ACH is still bullish? And can you chart it? Thoughts on XYO, price prediction. How much longer do you see the bull run lasting? Bull run's probably gonna... Okay, that is a very touchy statement. How long do you think the bull run's lasting? There are two different things going on right now with the bull run. There are a lot of charts saying that the bull run's going to be over the end of 2024, beginning of 2025. And then there's the cyclist, you know, every 4 years. There's the November cyclist. I posted a video on it on my channel. I don't remember the exact name. I think it was like Bitcoin cheat sheet or something like that. And that was saying tops in 2025. But the way things are looking, man, Bitcoin has never, ever broken above its all-time high before halving. It just did it. There's so many firsts in this bull run, man. There's so many firsts. So in my personal opinion, I'm keeping a very close eye on the end of 2024, 2025 to GTFO on my coins. When we get closer to that time frame, we'll reassess the situation. But that's kind of what I'm looking for. December, January is where I'm looking to just exit all my coins. We'll see how that plays out though. But you said ACH to the moon, brother. ACH, oh, what a hit. ETFs with BlackRock have changed. Yeah, it really has. The crazy part is, guys, we are actually all very early. Like yes, the crypto came out in 2011 or something like that. But we are still early. It's not adopted by the masses yet. We finally got a Bitcoin spot ETF. We got in before mass adoption. In my personal opinion, this might be the last easy bull run. What I mean by easy is the last like non-regulated easy bull run where you can make really, really big gains. After that, man, the big dogs are gonna run the show. So hopefully you guys are in. Hopefully you guys are in, man. But ACH, man, we're down 16.3% today. That's nasty. Yeah, we actually put in a higher high though before we capitulated. That's bullish. Horizontal line, it's barely there, but we did actually put in a higher high before we started this heavy correction. So I'll take that as the win. You draw your fib from the high to the low. What we can currently see is we had a fake out. We briefly broke above the 618. And I think I talked about this in yesterday's live stream, like the importance of breaking over that 618. Once we broke over that 618, that's where we could see some massive movement for ACH. But unfortunately, we had a fake out. We did not have a full body candle open and close above the 618. We got rejected. We're currently back below it, but we have not broken the uptrend that we've been in since, you know, February 2024. This is the uptrend we've been in, which surprisingly, you can actually still drop more before we actually hit that. Indicators right now on the, oh, we're on the 3-day. We don't want to be on the 3-day. We want to be in the day. But surprisingly on the day chart, you're about ready to flip bearish right here. You're losing your bullish momentum rather quickly. Your RSI is taking a sharp V-shaped bottom right here. You have a red flashing on the RSI saying, hey, it might be a good time to take some profit. Then also you have 3 sell signals on the WTX. Last time we got that was back in 2023 February, which if we follow up on that, led into this. You know, but I don't think that's really the case here. The market is a lot different now than what it was. So in my personal opinion, I still would be keeping an eye on a drop down. It's gonna be nasty. I like, if we break below 4 cents, it's gonna go down to probably 3.3. So 4 cents is your life support right now. That round psychological support number is currently holding. And if we draw a horizontal line, there's really no other area of support from that point on. So I'd be keeping an eye on 4 cents. If we break below 4 cents on ACH, we're probably going down to 3.2 to a possible 3 cents, which from where we're currently at is another 19% drop. The crazy part is if we did see that 19% drop, that would still maintain our bullish momentum going all the way back to January 2024. We'd still be putting in our higher highs and higher lows from that point. That's what people don't get. You know, when people see coins drop by 20%, they flood media or social media and stuff, say, hey, the coin's getting rugged, the game's over, blah, 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 blah. But they don't know how to read charts. So when in doubt, zoom out. And you're still maintaining your bullish momentum. If you come down there, you're putting in a higher low, which is bullish. It allows the chart to reset. It allows you to reaccumulate, readjust, you know, get more people on the moon juice ship before we start rallying out. So if we break below 4 cents, I would be looking for, you know, a 3.2 to 3 cents ACH. And that's not bearish whatsoever. That's actually healthy. Step up patterns are very, very healthy. But in my personal opinion, I don't think the 4 cents is going to hold. I don't think 4 cents is going to hold. I think we're going to be heading down to around that 3.5 to 3.2 area with a possible wick down to 3 and then rally higher from that. And that still maintains the bullish momentum, dude. So nothing to worry about. You know, people get freaked out over one red candle all the time. Once you're in the market for a while, not saying that I've been in the market forever, I've been in since 2017, but once you've been in the market for a while, man, you just get numb to this. You don't see red candles or green candles, man. You just sit there and you're just numb to everything. I swear, it's kind of unhealthy, believe it. And then he said, thoughts on XYO price prediction. Do you actually farm XYO? You can farm XYO on your phone. You can farm XYO on your phone. Yeah, we definitely got a bottom here October 2023 for XYO. Looks like we topped out the 0.5, currently testing the 382 as support. We're bearish on the MACD on the day chart. Large bearish engulfing candle today. With the RSI seeing a pretty decent size retracement right now. Yeah, that's a pretty heavy capitulation there on the RSI, with the WTX getting 3 sell signals and starting to retrace as well. On the RSI, however, I would be keeping an eye on this. We're almost there. We're almost there. We're almost there, which if in the short-term fibs from the high to the low, I'd be keeping an eye on that 618. I think XYL is probably going down to that 618 around 008. And then that would be a reversal area from that point on, which still would maintain our bullish momentum. So I'd be looking for something like this on XYL. I know it sounds disgusting, but we're going to be probably seeing a red week this week, guys. I won't beat around the bush. I'm not going to give you guys hopium when I don't see it. We're probably going to be seeing a red week this week. We really are going to probably see a red week this week. So just strap in. Just don't look at your coins. Don't look at your charts. We're probably going to see a red week. So I'm expecting another 17% drop on XYO since we broke below 786, man. But overall, if we drop from the high all-time high to the low, XYO, oh shoot, not that one. I wouldn't be surprised if XYO during the bull run peak went up to the 1236, up to 20 cents. So I'm gonna call it 20 cents high on the bull run top, because normally you run up to the 1236 and then you enter this negative area, not a negative area, but the void between the 1236 and 618, and you normally get your blow off top in here, which no one can guess a blow off top, right? So I'm gonna guess 20 cents, and then anything after that's just bonus. Anything's after that's bonus. But I wouldn't be surprised in the least if XYO went to 20 cents, which if we actually look at the market cap and stuff like that, XYO only has $144 million market cap, which is nothing. So, and all the coins are in circulation, which means they can't dilute it. All-time high was 8 cents. Last bull run, we're down 87. So for XYO, I don't knock 20 cents out of the picture. And for ACH, I think ACH can easily go over $1. Like for real, I think ACH can easily go over $1. So that's that. Yo, what's going on? Flip Coins kicking it off again. Not again, but Flip Coins kicking it off with another one. 20 bucks. Update on CKB and Seller Network. Still bullish. Well, let's see, man. Let's see. So Nervous Network's down 12.3. Obviously, we have a very red day today, so take what I say with a grain of salt. Everything we look at is going to be kind of red today, most likely. We're down 12.3 at $767 million market cap. We have a circulating supply of 43 billion coins. CoinGecko doesn't show the max supply, so you definitely want to know the max supply because we don't want them to dilute the market. So we make sure you know the max supply before investing and their unlocking period. All-time high was 3 years ago at 4 cents. The great part is we're only down 60% from that all-time high. So compared to the other coins, majority of the market is still down to the upper 80s to lower 90% from their all-time high. So this only being down 60% going into the parabolic phase of the bull run, that is extremely bullish, making me believe it's going to be pretty dang easy to overtake its all-time high and head to some higher highs during this bull run. All-time low was a year ago at 001. We're currently up 775% from that all-time low. If you're interested in this coin, you can pick it up on the following exchanges. There's 4 different pages you can pick it up. So if you want it, you can definitely find it. So CKB. We got to find CKB USD. No, we're going to use it on wow, what a run since 2024, man. What a run since 2024. That's disgusting, dude. What is that? Yo, that's a 7x. GG, dude. That's awesome. So Nervous Network, from the high to the low, we actually broke above the 618, almost went up to the 382. Currently testing the 618 is at, oh shoot. Currently testing the 618 as support. The MACD, oh shoot, I turned my sensitivity up on my mouse. I wouldn't be able to even work. So the MACD is currently still bearish right now, making a larger engulfing candle of the day. RSI is dipping down right now pretty heavily. The WTX as well printed 3 sell signals and we're starting to retrace. So your current support area for CKB is at 618. 618 is sitting at approximately I would say 1.6. So 1.6 cents. 1.6 cents needs to hold for this coin to continue its bullish momentum, because ever since we had this large run up right here, We had the high, the low, the high, the low, the high, the low. We're still in our bullish structure right now. We just do not want to break below the 618. We break below the 618, we are going to see a heavy capitulation on this coin. So 618 is at 166. If this holds, man, we'll probably head up to a higher high and this thing will continue the run. I mean, we're only down 60% for the bull run, and inevitably from the high to the low, I wouldn't be surprised at all if this thing went to, you know, 15 to 20 cents in this bull run. And if you look at it, we actually have a 1618 from the all-time high to the low, from the bull run high to the bear market low, at approximately 45 to 50 cents for this coin. So having a $767 million market cap, that would be an extremely high market cap, but I wouldn't knock it. I wouldn't push it to the back. You know, coins in the bull run can do absolutely insane things, especially the last 2-3 months of the bull run. So right now, short term, we are bullish. We are bullish regardless of the indicators. Keep an eye on that 618 at 1.6. If we break below 1.6, this thing's gonna flip bearish and we're gonna head down to the 0.5 at 111. And what we really do not want to do is, you can see the very small price volume right here. That cloud, that grayish cloud on the screen is very thin. So we do not want to rattle that. We do not want to crack that. Think of it like a glass leg. We do not want to crack the glass leg. We crack the glass leg, this thing's going to capitulate all the way back down to 0.004. Now, my personal opinion, I don't think that's the case. I really don't think that's the case whatsoever. I think the worst case scenario would be, you know, 1 cent. But short term, we're not even below the 618 yet. So we're bullish until we break below the 618. Keep an eye on 1.6. For a rally higher, we break below 1.6, we're gonna head down to that 0.5 and then rally higher from that point on. And then you said Celer, C-E-L-E-R. Oh, it's on Coinbase. Sellers on Coinbase, ladies and gentlemen. Yo, what is this? Oh, so we broke out of that downtrend. We'll delete that. And then our secondary downtrend broke out of that. Look at that. We broke out of it, back tested as support. So we are officially in the first steps of a bull run for this coin. And then fib from the high to the low. What we're currently experiencing is support at the 382. This 382 was pretty much hell for us to get over for a couple years, believe it or not. Once we fell below this 382 back in May of 2022, we could not get back over it. We tried once, twice, 3 different times to get back over that 382, and we did not do it. So for us to break over that 382 right now, that is very bullish. And all we're doing right now is back testing it as support. It's common market cycle for that to do that. Once you break a very heavy resistance area, you normally come down to test it as support. So I'm not surprised that once we break the 382, we're heading back down to test it as support. So I would be keeping an eye on that 382 at about 30 cents. We do not want to break 30 cents on sell. We break below 30 cents, go hide in your bunker. Now, don't hide in your bunker, but at 30 cents, we're probably going to come down to the 236, which even if we did go down to that 236, we still would maintain our bullish momentum because we would be putting in higher highs and higher lows. But that's the worst case scenario for sell. I would really honestly be keeping an eye on that 382 support. Indicators right now, very large engulfing candle bearish today. A lot of coins are red today. It just is. Just don't, I know you probably only have a couple coins in your portfolio and you probably see red, and you probably have that one coin that you're looking at that's green. Don't worry about it. That's the one coin out of 1,000 coins. Like, everything is pretty much red today, guys. So nothing to fret about. The only concern on seller is since February 2024, it does look like we broke that steep uptrend that we had. But the only saving grace is this 3 cent support at the 382. We break below that, we're heading down to the 236. And then the 236 would still maintain our bullish momentum, dude. We'd still put in a higher low. Indicators right now, we are looking slightly bearish, so that 382 is going to have to act big. That 382 is really going to have to act big as support. 3 sell signals with a heavy capitulation to the downside. RSI had a sell signal, heavy capitulation to the downside. We have the MACD, heavy bearish movement. So keep an eye on 3 cents. We break below 3 cents. We're heading down to probably 1.8. as the worst case scenario. But overall, we look bullish. If we actually drop from our high to low, which we did, we have the 1618 sitting up here at about $1.50. What is the market cap for this coin? CLER. Yo, the market cap's only 173 million. That's nothing. So the possibility of this thing going to $1 plus this bull run is very, very easily obtainable. So I would have to say during the bull run hype, during the parabolic phase and the FOMO phase and everything like that, this thing probably does have the possibility to go up to $1.50 to the 1618. I would not knock that whatsoever. Now, I'm not guaranteeing it, but I think there's a good chance of this thing at least breaking $1. And then, you know, the mania phase topping out around $1.50. So seller does not look horrible whatsoever. Flip coins, it looks solid. Yo, we got Mini Adula. What's going on? What do you think of VXV? I am bullish on VXV, man. I am bullish on VXV. VXV is a sleeper coin that not many people know about. So oh shoot, not this one. So VXV, Vector Space AI, there is going to be another AI hype during the bull run. I think AI coins are going to do exceptionally well during the bull run. This thing's down 4% at $1.17, only $44 million market cap, extremely small market cap. And on top of the extremely small market cap, you only have 37 million coins in circulation. So it doesn't have 100 million, it doesn't have 200 million, it doesn't have a billion, it doesn't have 100 billion. Very, very small circulating supply, and on top of that, a very small total supply of 50 million. All-time high was 1919. We're down 93%. Even though we're down 93%, I think we can easily overtake that high this bull run for VXV. VXV has officially broke out of its bear market downtrend. The crazy part is VXV is actually a rather new coin, believe it or not. We came out towards the top of the last bull run, so we've really never experienced a bull run before. We've really never experienced one, and I love coins that have never experienced a prior bull run before, because they're the ones that have infinite potential to the upside. A lot of coins that have already experienced bull runs, they have what's the word, they have expectations. They already have expectations for the upcoming bull run, right? People are already assuming this, they're already assuming that of it, and it plays a psychological effect on investors for coins that have already experienced bull runs before. So VXV never experiencing a full bottom of the start of the bull run to the top of the bull run, I think this thing's easily going to take out its all-time high. And if we drop from the high to the low right here, we're currently testing that 382 as resistance. We got the double sell signal on the WTX, RSI starting to retrace, MACD just flipped bearish. So for VXV right now on the day chart, this 382 needs to hold at 120. If we do happen to break below 120, we'll probably head down to approximately that 618 here at about 78 cents. Now, if 78 cents happens to get tagged, man, I will most likely be buying this coin. Not financial advice. I'm not hyping this coin up whatsoever. I've been following this coin since the bear market. Look at my channel, go to my channel, look, type in search, type in VXV. You can see I've been charting it for well over a year. I've been bullish on it the whole time, but I did not buy the bottom on it. And I've been extremely bullish on it the whole time. So if we do happen to dip down to that 618, I might actually pick up a little bit of a bag of it, because that would be a very, very nice price to get it at, you know, below $1. But yeah, I think this thing can easily go over 20 bucks. If you draw from the high to the low on VXV, the bull run high could possibly take us to, yeah, I don't think we're going that high. This is saying the bull run high could take us to 570. I don't think we're gonna go that high, but you know, the upper 20s to 50 range, I think we could easily tag between this range right here. I think $100 would be a pretty heavy resistance area to overtake, but I would not be surprised if VXV went to the upper 80s to $100 range this bull run, for real, especially with the AI hype, dude. And if you have not done your research on VXV, definitely do it. It's a sleeping giant, for real. They really don't, VXV really hasn't been put out there in the spotlight yet, and it's a pretty crazy AI project for sure. Oh, that was Manny Duel's first super chat. I love that, brother. Welcome. Thank you for the support. Yo, we got Bobby Digital for $2. You think You think this is a good area to add more A tech? Well, I can't give financial advice, but I would tell you what I would do. AI tech. He's a criminal. Bobby Digital is one of my favorite albums. He's a criminal. I don't even know who that is. Now you guys want me to make it. Now you want me to make a look. I'm actually gonna take a note. Bobby Digital. I'm gonna look that up. Let me take a sip of my moon juice right here real quick. AI tech. AI tech. I'm guessing that's a shit coin, right? Since it's not on CoinGecko. AITECH. AI tech. Here we go. Yeah, so I've went over this several times, man. Not on this coin alone, but other coins. You normally retrace back to the 50% area of your pump, which is the 0.5. I'd keep an eye on 25 cents. 25 cents would probably be a good area to accumulate this coin. MACD's probably seeing a decent or a pretty large retracement right now, if I'm have to guess. At MACD, yeah, MACD's bearish right now, and the RSI is probably capitulating as well, if I have to guess. Oh shoot, not that one. Yeah, RSI is capitulating. So for AI tech, I would be keeping an eye on the 0.5 at about 25 cents. I think 25 cents is going to be the support area for this coin. Now, what I've said over and over and over again, and I know there's a lot of new people in the chat, so they'll probably be hearing it time and time again. You don't want your coin to go parabolic. Like, if you're a long-term holder, if you're holding for this cycle, you do not want your coin to go parabolic until the end, realistically. Because normally when you see a very, very large run up on this on the day chart, it's always followed by a week or a week and a half of just absolute hell. Like, always followed by that. The step up pattern is always the healthiest way. Run ups like this are just not healthy for the coin, and you're seeing that right now. Normally, after you run up this huge run up, you normally retrace back down to the 50% area. And why do you retrace back down to the 50% area, you say? Well, you have the people who bought the bottom right here, right? It consolidated from the 19th all the way to the 10th. So almost an entire month it consolidated on the 236. Once it started taking off, you had people starting to FOMO into the coin. You had people who bought here, you had people who bought here, right? You had people buying the whole way up. Then you had people who bought the top, right? Of course, that's never been you, right? I've never bought the top on a coin before. Wink, wink. I've never bought the top on a coin before. But what we currently want to see, or not what we currently want to see, what is currently happening here is the people at the bottom are taking profits. People from the bottom are taking profits, and then the people at the top are seeing the coin retrace pretty heavily, right? So they start freaking out. They start jeeting. They start getting out of the coin. So normally, if you see this happening, it retraces back down to the 50% area of that pump, which is the 0.5. Why is that? Why does it retrace back to the 50% area? Because the people who bought right here during this very, very fast run up are the people who are comfortable on holding the coin. They're the ones that are up a couple dollars. They're the ones who are down a couple dollars. They're the ones that will hold the floor and are comfortable in holding. So what I normally do when I see a coin go absolutely nuts like this is I'll wait till I see the first red candle, the very first large red candle on the day chart, and I'll short that bitch. Pardon my language. I'll short it. And I'll short it back down to the 50% area right there. And I'm not crapping you guys. I'm not crapping you whatsoever. It has been very, very, very accurate for me so far. Look it up. If you start seeing a coin go parabolic and you start seeing a retracement, draw your fib from the high to the start of that retracement. Look at the 0.5 or the 6 or the 382, and that's the normal area in which we retrace to on the large pump. So that's exactly what's happening on this coin, which means we're pretty close, but I still think we're going to be heading down to around 25 cents. So from where we're currently at, that's approximately another 10% drop. So I'd be looking for a 10% drop on this coin, then hopefully that's a reversal to the upside. So that's what my thoughts on AI tech. All the indications are showing bearish on the day chart. 1 hour chart's pretty indecisive right now, so that's all I'm thinking. Yo, we got Jared Adams for 5. Simba had an interesting day today, and please list a SUI address for the SUI community to donate to you. Thank you for. You don't need to donate to me, brother. You really don't need to donate to me. I'm good, man. My baby Bonk and baby Pepe are gonna take me to the promised land. My baby Bonk and baby Pepe are the ones. And then on top of that, I have ever earn on top of that. So what the heck are we listening to? This is like some glow stick music. Simba on Sui, man. Sui. So we talked about this yesterday, but there's 54 people in the chat today. So there's probably some people that weren't in here yesterday. I think Sui's gonna be big, guys. Sui has never seen a bull run. Like we're looking at Sui. Yeah, we're looking at Sui right now. Sui has never seen a bull run before, and it's at almost a did it break 3 billion today? Let's see. No, it didn't. We're almost at a $2 billion market cap. This thing is going to be a big player this bull run. And on top of that, there's meme coins on top of this. Not a lot of people are using Sui right now. People will be migrating the Sui. Trust me, people will be migrating the Sui, and people will be using them or will be buying the meme coins on Sui. As of right now, it's pretty much a hidden gem. No one really knows Sui. No one really knows how to interact with it. But once the bull run comes, I think people are going to be very active on that network, and people are going to be buying the meme coin. So there is one meme coin on Sui that I'm very bullish on. There's one meme coin on Sui, and that is Simba. Like Simba on Sui, it's called Simba the Lonely Lion. Lonely Lion. Simba the Lonely Lion. I need to wear like a Porky Pig shirt because I effing stutter so much, I swear. But this is one of the most bullish coins on Sui, I believe. So as of right now, we talked about this possibly putting it in a higher high, but we did see a pretty decent size retracement back down to the 382. 382 came big support. The MACD is actually about ready to flip bullish once again. We're losing our bearish momentum. RSI has a nice V-shaped bottom on Simba. What I'm currently going to be looking for on Simba, this is actually a higher low. We'll be breaking above the 618. If we actually break above that 618, we will be heading to a higher high after this. I'm not saying this to glow or anything whatsoever. We actually got in this thing at around a $10,000 market cap. So we currently are up 10x on our investment, and I actually share these findings in the Discord. I really do. I share these findings. It's not like I buy in, oh my god, shill it. I have a discussion within the Discord and everything like that, and if once we kind of agree, like, you think this is a good buy, you think this is this, we do a little bit more research, and then we get in, and we actually found this pretty dang near the bottom. So if you haven't already, make sure you join that Discord channel, guys. The link below in the description, I believe, works. I believe it works. But right now, what we're currently experiencing is a bounce off the 382, currently trying to get back over the 618. Indicators look strong. We get over that 618, we will be breaking out of our downtrend that we've been in since March 14th, which would send us back up to around 0001. And to get above 0001, man, you're actually going to blast off to your all-time high. And I really don't consider Wicks all-time highs, but that's what we're going to be talking about here, something like that for Simba. So Simba's looking pretty dang good in my personal opinion. All you need to do is buy Simba, get a Simba Sui wallet, buy Simba, and swap it on the exchange. You can actually buy a Sui wallet, go on the Sui browser, come here to DexScreen and click trade, and then just trade it on here. But I think Simba's going to be a big player once Sui starts popping, like for real. Yo, we got Kurt KRTT for 10. Can you look at Blue Whale? Never heard of it, brother. Oh, it's a Solana coin. Dude, Solana is absolutely ripping. Oh my god. Oh my god. This thing came out 5 days ago. You could have retired if you bought the first candle. What is that? Oh, that's a 30x. I'm gonna puke. I am going to puke. Those are rather new coins, so it's pretty hard to chart rather new coins because there's not a lot of prior past history, but we'll do our best. Okay, so we have $2.4 million market cap with $287 million in circulation. If we actually draw from the high to the low right here on the fibs, what we currently experience is a crash below the 786, so that is no bueno. We did not want to break below the 786. As of right now, we're currently bearish. I would be keeping an eye on the 618 down here at around 8574. If we toss on the MACD is probably bearish as well. Yeah, the MACD is bearish, and the RSI is probably falling off the table if I had to make a guess. Yeah, the RSI is starting to capitulate pretty dang hard as well. So I think in the meantime on whale, you're probably going to see a correction down to the 618, and then that could be a reversal point. We are currently laddering up, laddering up with higher highs and higher lows. So we are in a bullish structure: higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So regardless, I know this looks like a nasty correction down to that 618, but overall in the market structure, it's not that bad. Even though that's a 14% correction, that still would be putting in a higher low. We could rally to the upside like this, but I really don't have too much to say about this coin because it's too new. So take what I say with a grain of salt, but it does look like we are in a step up pattern right here, and it does look like it wants to head towards a $10 million market cap. So whale does not look bad for Solana. It's just I don't play with Solana network. I'm on BSC right now. There's way too many coins on Solana, but yeah, whale does not look bad whatsoever. Arc Samson, I grabbed a bag of Sui. It's the only thing keeping my portfolio. Rising Sun, how does Sui look for you? Sui doesn't look bad, brother. Sui's gonna be huge. Like for real, Sui is going to be huge. All it's experienced right now is a consolidation. Yeah, you get above the 786 here at about $1.60 here to go to the moon. Yeah, Sui's not bad. I think Sui's a good buy. I think Sui's going to a multi-billion dollar market cap. Like for real, real. Yo, we got Tack Wallace has tipped for $4.99. I don't have my tipping screen up for PayPal. I'm guessing that's PayPal. Let me actually check real quick. I might be able to pull it up. Oh yeah, I got it. I can check my phone. You haven't entered any instructions. So what? So Tack Wallace, what coin would you like me to chart? I don't know who Tack Wallace is, but I see you sent me a tip in PayPal, which I appreciate, but you didn't post anything. It says instructions to merchant. The buyer hasn't entered any instructions. So tell me what coin you want and I will chart it for you, brother. For real. Yo, River Hudson, ever earned to the effing moon. Ever earned to the moon. And I guarantee there's a lot of people on here who have never heard of Ever Earn before, and they're gonna be regretting that. So if we look at Ever Earn, we're actually up 1.2% today. We were actually up 200% yesterday. So this coin, guys, like listen up here. This coin is not just a normal coin, it's a reflection coin, but it doesn't reflect you the native coin. You hold this coin, every reflection it gives you is in BNB. Like I've earned over $100 just holding this coin. So every buy, every sell, this coin reflects to your wallet BNB. It's pretty much, as River Hudson says, an what'd you say, anti-rug pull or anti-whale, anti-rug pull coin. So what we're currently experiencing here for Everearn is a run up back to the 382 at around 8148. Not a lot of volume today, but that's okay. You know, we have a $41,000 market cap with 19,000 liquidity, $468 in daily volume. So once we start picking up in volume here, it's going to start rocking. Once we break out of this downtrend, man, it's going to the moon. Yeah, people on this live stream, they don't even know the possibility of this coin, I swear. As of right now, this coin's only available on PancakeSwap. If you're interested in buying this coin, you can go to their website, which is everearn.org/moon. It even gives you instructions at the bottom of the website right here, how to buy. It gives you the download links and everything, pretty much step by step, you know, buy EverEarn for dummies type stuff. You can even go here and swap your BNB for EverEarn. But you know, once the parabolic phase of the bull run kicks off, I think this coin's going to do pretty good. Like for real, reflection coins are going to be huge, dude. All you do is hold the coin and you get free money. No one can beat that. But I bet everyone in the chat's not even going to think about it. Eventually, they'll all be hearing of EverEarn, I swear. You heard it here first, everybody. All 47 of you in the chat. You're probably going to fade this coin. This coin's going to be big during the bull run. I strongly believe it. So that's currently my thoughts on it. Keep an eye on the 382 here at around 8164. Not looking bad. Yo, River Hudson again for 2. Can you chart Arrow? Absolutely, brother. Absolutely, brother. Hey, I need some moon juice. You won't believe it, but talking into a mic the entire time is very, very, I guess, drying out. Very, very draining. I never really thought I'd be a content creator, but once I started talking about crypto, man, I just wouldn't shut up about it. But seriously, just talking and talking and talking, it really dries out your mouth. So Arrow. Oh shoot. So Arrow right now has actually been bearish since March 12th. Trading crypto. Oh man. Oh shoot. Hang on. I'll look that in a second. As of right now, we're currently testing our downtrend. Heavy capitulation on the downtrend. MACD's bearish. WTX is bearish. RSI is bearish on Arrow. Now, if we remove the indicators and start fresh, I think this is the run up right here that we want to focus on. We're currently heading down to the 618. I would have to say we're heading down to 60 to 57 cents, unfortunately. Overall, I think Arrow Finance is very, very, very bullish. Very bullish. So from where we're currently at, we're currently up, you know, 8x. 8x. That is insane. But since we topped out here on March 13th, we've been seeing a pretty heavy retracement. Do you find yourself leaning forward to the mic? I don't know. Probably. Why does it look like I'm leaning forward to the mic? But for Aerodrome right now, I'd be keeping an eye on that 618 at probably 57 cents. I think we are heading on that 618, and that would be the bottom right here. Our last time we did a TA, we were talking about not breaking below the prior all-time high, which I don't think we have done yet. If we do draw a horizontal line right here, we actually did break below our prior all-time high. So I'd be keeping an eye on that. We did break it, so we're technically bearish right now. So I would follow that other TA to the 618. It does look like 57 is going to be the bottom for Aerodrome Finance, and then we can start seeing a run up from that point on. We still maintain our bullish momentum. There's nothing bearish about that. And if you actually look from our steep uptrend from March of 2024, that actually plays out perfectly as a bottom. We tagged it here on March 5th, we tagged it here on March 9th, and we come down and tag that uptrend here again. So that's my assessment there on Aerodrome. Yo, we got Gris saying EverEarn LFG. I'm telling you guys, we have 52 people in this chat now, and they're all fading EverEarn right now. Eventually, during the hype of the bull run, man, everyone's going to be hearing about EverEarn. They're like, oh man, I wish I would have bought it when Charting Crypto was talking about it. I promise you guys. That is one of the most That is probably one of the most best plays we have found during this bear market, the bull run transition. And there's a lot of people sleeping on it. No, it doesn't look. I was just curious. Yeah, I mean, I find myself going like this when I get excited. When I get excited, I go in like this, like yeah. But yeah. But Ever Earn looks pretty effing good. And then if we actually go to yo, what a nasty retracement on Baby Bonk, right? So people think. Oh yeah, curly right. Sorry, hang on. Did I tell you? This crypto stuff will wear it out of you. Top to the bottom right here on Baby Bonk. That's not good that we broke below the 0.5. Not good whatsoever. From the initial run up around the 382. So if we do see support at the 382, we will be seeing a reversal. We did have a fake out on our MACD. It looks like we were about ready to flip bullish, and I said psych, and then we started capitulating. I think this coin can easily go to $500 million plus during the bull run, but as of right now, it's trying to make people cheat. It is what it is. I'm still holding mine, and I will not be selling. It is one of my biggest holdings in my portfolio. I mean, I actually have contact with the dev. Like, the dev and I talk like every day, every other day. So I'm very bullish on this coin. So the creator of this coin, him and I are in contact. And I'm not just saying that to sound cool. It is actually true. I actually made a game for this coin too, believe it or not. If you go to iTitch.io, then you go to, hang on, dashboard, then you go to Baby Bonk Army. I actually made this game for this coin right here. And yesterday during the live stream, I think I only went to wave 2. So we're gonna take a little break and see how many waves I can actually get to. But yeah, I actually had this game created for the coin. Then we go to play. I'm gonna pick this one right here because Drake has a good HP and good movement. Then you have 20 HP with 60 movement. You have 7 HP with 110, which is pretty insane. 10 with 90. But I think 113 with 90. And then I always go with the knife. Really quick firing rate with damage. But we're going to take a little break from TA and see how far charting crypto can get in this game. Oh, I already got hit once, dude. I'm going to die. Let's go. So my technique is pretty much the first round, just dodge them all. And then once you're able to buy more weapons in the second round, that's when you can start attacking them. So my first round's just run around in a circle and dodge. Oh, shoot. Dodge them as fast as possible. So I got 28 seconds left for phase. Oh, man. They're coming, man. They're coming for me. They're coming for me. Oh, we actually are going to save. Screw it. It's my live stream. We're going to see how far we can get in this bad boy. Oh, man, I'm getting killed. I'm getting killed. And then you get as many coins as possible, man. Eat them up, 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 eat them up. Flamethrower is the best. If we can get a flamethrower, that'd be awesome. So fried chicken, the developer loved this. +1 damage. A large lump of coal, useless. Butcher knife, don't want any of that. A gold sword, cold pistol, I don't want any of that. Roll. Canned tuna, the food I eat way too often during college. +2 damage, yeah, I'll take that. Teardrop, nothing. Oh, we're gonna be screwed on wave 2, boys. We are screwed on wave 2. This is normally where I die. I die really easily on this. Oh, look at it. I'm already halfway down with my life. The crazy part is, man, it's the game I created and I can't even beat the highest score. There's some people on here with some crazy high scores. Oh, I suck. That's my name. I suck. Submit name. But yeah, that's a pretty cool thing that Baby Bunk has right there. That's what we're currently looking on. Oh, what is this song, man? This thing's hitting. Yo, flip coins again for 10. Please chart snack. Guess bull run market cap. Thanks. RZA as Baby Digital. I don't know what that is. I don't know what you're talking about. Yeah, I mean, if you guys want to play this game, I'll give you the link. Good luck though. I mean, I'm fourth. I'm fourth at 147,000. This dude got 1,179,000, dude. So I have no idea, man. That is insane. If you guys want to play it, I actually posted the link. It's completely free to play. Snack down 18% today, man. 18% at 001. All-time high was 3 days ago. 3 days ago, we're down 32.2%. If we look at the all-time low is 5 months ago at 0001. Currently available on the following markets, guys: Mexi, Gale, Bitmart, BitGet, BingX. There's 2 different exchanges. If you want this coin, you can get it. I've really never heard of Snack before. It's kind of crazy because this thing's at a $125 million market cap. So we're probably gonna look at the Mexi chart on it. Snack. Yo, what is this? Okay, Snack's about ready to take off, or we're gonna be shit in the bed. Like, either this is a double top, 1 top, 2 top, drop top, or we're about ready to go absolutely parabolic. The scary part is, not financial advice, I wouldn't be buying this right now. There's a very, very, very thin price volume wall right there. Think of it like a glass leg. We get any cracks in this glass leg right here, it's going to be a straight free fall back down to around 0003. But as of right now, all-time high to the low, I'd be keeping an eye on the 786 at approximately 001. We break below that, we're going down to 0009. MACD is bearish, very large bearish engulfing candle today. If we look at the RSI is having a pretty heavy retracement. We do kind of have an uptrend support on the RSI as well. We touched 1, 2, 3. So I would be keeping an eye on the RSI support, you know, down here at around 44. And we did get a sell signal on the WTX with a pretty heavy correction from that point as well. So for Snack, I don't think that 786 is going to hold, brother. I think we'll probably be heading down to the 618 here at 0008. And 0008 will be the next support. Then hopefully rally out from there, because double tops are pretty effing bearish. Double tops are pretty effing bearish, but we are in a bull run. That is for sure. So I would keep an eye on a retracement back down to the 618, and then hopefully a reversal to a higher high from that point on. But everything's showing bearishness. Everything right now is showing bearishness. If we go to the 4 hour, 4 hours also showing bearishness. So it confirms it on the short-term time frame, and it confirms it on the long-term time frame. I don't think the 786 is going to hold. I think we're going to be seeing a nasty 45% drop. And I'm sorry. I wish I could be hopium on this. I wish I could spin some sort of hopium, but it's just not there. I'm seeing a 45% drop on it, brother. Yo, River again, man. He is paying my meals for the week, I swear to God. You're feeding my family. Thank you. 2 days until NVIDIA AI conference. Render founder and Near co-founder will both be speaking. Can we chart those? Yes, we can. I've heard that too. So on top of that, the NVIDIA conference is in 2 days, and AI on top of that should pop. As long as it's good, as long as it's good, AI should pop on top of that as well. Yo, near disobeyed my commands and actually broke higher. But as of right now, we're above the 618, currently testing the 618 as support. MACD is about ready to flip bearish on the day chart. RSI seen a heavy correction. WTX has an overbought sell signal, the highest we have ever printed on the WTX. So I'd be wary of that. I'd be keeping an eye on that 618 right here at approximately, what is that, 660? Yeah, I would say 650. If we break below $6.50 for this coin, we're probably heading down to the 0.5 right here at around 450 for reversal. The crazy part is that wouldn't be bearish whatsoever. That would not be bearish whatsoever. We still have our very steep uptrend going right here, and that actually plays right into that uptrend. That plays right into the uptrend. Something like this, convergence area, then higher. I think this is definitely a move for near right now. But as of right now, we are massively overbought, and I just don't see, I don't see near going higher. I think we're going to be seeing the correction on near for sure. And then you said render. Render has not even touched. Oh shoot. Render has not touched our green box yet. You should play some of my track. Well, as long as you don't copyright them, brother. That's the hard part. Like, I use copyright free music, but it's so hard to find music because everything's copyrighted and everyone tries to get $1 off it. If I use copyrighted music, they'll take over my entire live stream, and the entire live stream or whatever is just monetized under their stuff. So as long as your shit's not monetized and it's good, I'll play it, brother. I'll even give you credit for the music. I'll put a little logo right down here if you have some good lo-fi music that you don't steal my revenue from. But render right now, we're currently not finding the support. We're heading down that green box. We have not touched the green box yet. We just, oh shoot. Hang on one sec. There we go. We're currently not at the green box yet at the 786. We're currently working our way down to it. We just crossed over bearish on the MACD. Very large bearish engulfing candle. If we look at the RSI had a double top like we talked about yesterday. One top, two top, capitulating right there. We have not put in a lower low yet, but we did put in a lower high. Lower high is bearish. On top of that, we have a double sell signal on the WTX. You use SoundCloud? No, I use, can I show this? Yeah, I use this. It's called Pretzel. All these are copyright free stations that I can use for streaming. So anything I use here, I will not get penalized for. So what do we got? All right, render. Yeah, so render I think is going to be heading back down to the green box. We have not touched it yet, but I do think we are, which from where we're currently at is approximately the 786 at $9.62. We break below that, worst case scenario is 867. Everything's calling for the correction, brother. Everything's calling for correction, and we're not bearish if we do it. We're not bearish if we do it whatsoever. That's a higher low. That is a higher low, which still would be bullish. Crazy enough, if you draw the uptrend actually wants us to head down there as well to around that 875. You know, bounce around, head to that convergence area, and then head out. So I wouldn't be surprised if this went down to around $9 to 875 and then rallied out. That wouldn't be bearish. I know it sounds nasty, your coin dipping that much, which is a 15% correction, but it is what it is, man. Welcome to crypto. I'd be keeping an eye on that. So 786 at 950, break below 950, you're heading to 875. 875 is the worst case scenario. We touch that, we could go to the moon after that. Flip coins, did you look at SNEC on Cardano or ETH? I looked at SNEC on here. Whatever this one is. I don't know which one's the different, brother. So SNEC, this one's at 0016. This one's at 0016. So it must have been on, what's this one say? This one says it's on, what contract is that? Well, let me know if I charted the wrong one. It seems like it was the right one. 001. Chart was 001. Yo, K coming in for 5. K for 5. Orca Chan and Link. Check their websites and holders, please. Thank you. I'm already in, so YOLO, I guess. Yeah, we did upload videos on them today too. So Orca is actually on MEXC. CAI and you. So Orca Eno's on MEXC. I really wish I knew the market cap on this thing. It does not show the market cap whatsoever on CoinGecko. But I want to know the market cap because I'm not financial advice. I think I want to get in this for not a lot of money, not a lot of money whatsoever, but I think this could be a good flip play if we break out of the downtrend. I just don't know the market cap. This is seeing the fully diluted is only 21,000. And then if we go to the contract holders, which is where the F is the contract. Yeah, I can't even find the contract down here. It's probably under info. It's not even info tab. But the main thing is look at their Twitter. Are they active on their Twitter? Orca Eno hasn't posted since February 27th. So that is a strong sign that they're not very engaging with their community. And then you look at their we're not going to go to the Telegram, but you look at the website. I base a lot of stuff off the website, believe it or not. If the website looks like absolute garbage, I'm not buying it. So it doesn't look horrible. It's not the best website I've ever seen, but it doesn't look horrible. The typeface is absolute garbage, but I mean it's pretty much a gamble coin, brother. There's really not much I can say. It's down 99% in 3 months. But I like gambles. Like, it's not like I'm gonna put $1 million in it, but you know, a couple $100. If I have a couple $100 to spare, you know, why not toss a couple $100 in it? All-time low was 23 days ago. There's really not much to say about the TA either that I didn't say last time. Top to bottom, we break out of this downtrend, we'll probably see some parabolic movement to the upside. Where's the contract at? The contract should be here, right? Maybe it's on here. We'll look at this. Unfortunately, it's not on there either. I don't have the contract, man. I really don't have the contract. But Orca's a hardcore gamble play, but I'm actually probably going to gamble on it. I won't beat around the bush. I'm probably going to gamble on this. Couple $100, not a shit ton of money, but if it goes, it goes for sure. And then what'd you say? And Link, yeah, Neuralink. Neuralink's also on MEXC. Yeah, I couldn't find it on CoinGecko during the live stream, but Neuralink right. Wait, we need to find it. And you said NLink, right? NLink. Yeah, they don't have any of their socials on here, dude. So I can't look at their websites. So try to find their website. I mean, on here, it doesn't look bad. You have $150,000 locked in liquidity and almost $1 million market cap. It does look like we are probably retracing back down to the 0.5 area, which is, you know, around 1,600 micro pennies. MACD's bearish. So other than that, you know, we dipped down and went back above the 618, but we're still bearish on our indicators. For example, high to the low right here. Well, actually, high to the low right here is what we want to do. High to the low right here, we're currently getting rejected at the 786. We just, let me remove all these stuff. We just got a sell signal on the WTX, dude. Today, we just got a sell signal, the highest we've ever been. MACD's about ready to flip bearish. We're getting rejected at the 786. I would not be surprised whatsoever if it went down to this. I don't even know what price that is, dude. 1.6 micro pennies. 1.6 micro pennies, which if we went over here would bring us back down to around the 618 or 0.5. So Lunc, I would not be surprised if we went back down to that 0.5 area and started rallying, but I really don't have enough information to look at holders and stuff like that, because we can look at holders on this. Yo, there's one wallet. Maxi holds a massive amount. Maxi holds 60%, dude. That is disgusting. Pancakes owns 8, and then you have someone that owns 5, 4, and 1. There's only 3 real big wallets. Other than that, they're all, you know, shrimp. So why does Maxi own 60%, dude? That's disgusting. But best of luck, dude. Best of luck. Yo, Baby Digital, where do you realistically see Bonk going to? I'm glad you asked that question. I'm glad you asked that question. That is a fantastic question right there. Fan-effing-tastic question. Realistically for Bonk, I know I've been chilling the possibility of that 1618 all the way up here, which is a 40x, but realistically, I think Bonk definitely hits the 1236. Like, I definitely think Bonk hits the 1236 from where we're currently at. And then during the mania phase, you know, is every man for themselves after that. And there still is a fib up here, which shows the possibility of it actually going all the way up to that 001 area. But realistically, I would not be surprised at all if we did another 6 to 7x on Bonk. And then for Hopium, the best case scenario is another, you know, 54x. I know that sounds disgusting. That's a very, very, very broad range. But if you've never experienced the hype of the bull run before, man, it's just insane. You can't even predict stuff during the bull run because it's just insane. But right now, I do think realistically we have another 6 to 7x to go for Bonk, realistically, for sure. But then the Hopium's all the way up here at 50. We still have not broken. Hang on, parallel. Let's zoom in. Hang on. Did we break it or not? No, we're riding on that support. Hang on, I'm gonna sneeze. Wow. Bless me, right? So we're currently riding on our all-time high support. We do not want to break below this. We break below this, we're heading down to the 786 or a 1456. I currently do think we're going to be holding the support here at the prior all-time high. MACD doesn't look bad, RSI doesn't look bad, WTX doesn't look bad. So I think once we find a support balance off this, we will be rallying up to probably higher highs, and then inevitably during the bull run, top will probably be up around, you know, 20,000 area. Because believe it or not, the bull run, in my personal opinion, there's a good chance that it's over this year, end of this year, beginning of next. And it's January, February, March right now. So what do we have? April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So we have 9 months left possibly of this bull run. And if that's the case, man, I think Bonk could easily do another 6 to 10x, dude, for real. I think Bonk should be one of the top dogs. Last bull run, you know, Doge and Shiba and stuff like that ran super hard, but they've already ran. They've already had their time in the spotlight. Bonk's the up and coming one. Bonk is currently the alpha dog, believe it or not. Bonk's the one that started this meme coin movement. So we'll see that. Which is a reason why I'm invested in Baby Bonk. Baby coins have been, Baby Bonks only do 10% of the all-time high of their counterparts, believe it or not. I saw a post on Twitter and they posted research. I wish I would have saved it, but baby coins of their counterpart, like the real baby coins, not the ones that get launched every single day that are scams, the ones that are legit, like Baby Bonk and Baby Pepe, they normally run 10% from their counterparts bull run all-time high. So if we think that Bonk's going to be going to, you know, 10 billion, $20 billion market cap, what's 10% of that? That's 2 billion. So Baby Bonk could realistically go to a $2 billion market cap. I didn't mean to turn this to a Baby Bonk rant, but they're kind of tied together. So I hope that helps. I know I went off on a little bit of a tangent there. Tack Wallace says shape shift Fox. We did do Fox today. I did upload a video on it. It does not look terrible. Fox is down 12.3% today at 8.9 cents. Very small market cap, which is awesome. I love small market cap coins that are going through the bull run. Well, I mean, obviously you can find small market caps, but small market caps that are actually for pretty good realistic coins, not ones that are like shit coin Obama, you know. But $55 million market cap, 619 million coins in circulation. I have 1 billion, so we have 61% of the coins in circulation. All-time high is $1.65 3 years ago. Currently available on the following markets: Coinbase, MEXC, Gate.io, LA Token, CoinX, Gate.io. So some pretty prominent exchanges it's available on. If we look at the chart, the chart's not looking bad either. We definitely saw a double bottom right here, guys. One bottom, two bottom. We definitely saw a double bottom and reversal for shift Fox. Then you can draw the top to the bottom right here. What we're currently experiencing is trying to hold that 382 support. So the 382 support needs to hold for us to continue our bullish momentum. We currently wicked right to it. We got a green candle. MACD on the day chart's bearish right now, but hopefully it rolls over. RSI seeing a decent size retracement. If we look at the WTX didn't print any sort of sell signals. WTX kind of had a one top, two top, three top, drop top type situation. So I'd be keeping an eye on that 382 on the long term, and then on the short term, if we break below that 382, I'd be keeping an eye on the 618, which is down here at around 8.4. So Fox isn't looking bad. It actually looks like the bottom might be in here pretty soon, and we could be rallying to a higher high. So I'd be keeping a close eye on around 8.5, 8.4 for Fox, and then we could rally up to the 1.236 at about 23, which is insane. I know it's insane, but it's definitely doable, especially with a small market cap like this. So as long as we don't break below 8.5 cents for Fox, we're bullish. As long as we don't. What is Fox, honestly? Like, I'm kind of curious now. A multi-chain crypto home base, an open source crypto platform to trade, track. Okay, so it's a DEX. Yeah, Fox is the DEX. Oh man, I feel retarded now. Fox is MetaMask DEX. Wow, okay. I am way more bullish on this now. This is MetaMask DEX. Okay, I'm way more bullish on this now. Yeah, I think this thing is easy to overtake $1 this bull run, especially being MetaMask DEX. DEX's last bull run were kind of like a new thing, you know, they were sketchy. If I don't know, there's probably some people in here who were around last bull run, but in my personal opinion, DEX's last bull run were kind of sketchy. You know, they're kind of sketchy, but they had the entire bear market and everything to improve on that. So I think dexes going around this time are actually going to be a prominent player. You know, people, the retail investors will use the sexes. The people who know their shit will use the dexes. So this being a dex on top of MetaMask, man, I am going to be bullish on it for sure. Doesn't look bad. Yo, we got Canadian bacon. I had Canadian bacon this morning, and guess what? I'm gonna have Canadian bacon tomorrow for breakfast as well. I love me some Canadian bacon for sure. Says been buying for the last few years. Sucks to see all my gains slowly get rinsed. Can you chart Zeta? Sure thing. Zeta chain. What the hell is this? I don't see it. So if you've been buying for the so you've probably been buying other coins. You haven't been buying this for the last couple of years because this thing came out this year. This thing came out February 2024. So you haven't been buying this for the last couple of years. I'm guessing you're talking about other coins. Not a lot of price history to go off of. February 2nd was the prior all-time or prior launch. If we look at Zeta chain right now, we're down 4.1% at $2, $476 million market cap, 200. Okay, this is something that, okay, I'm not fudding this coin whatsoever, but this is something I would be very cautious of. Okay, I'm just putting up a red flag for you guys. You guys can invest in whatever you want. There's only 236 million coins in circulation out of 2.1 billion. I have seen over and over and over again during the hype of the bull run, coins start putting a lot of coins in circulation, which dilutes the market cap. That's why JASMY absolutely crashed. We're not even going to get into that rant. That'll take us the entire rest of the live stream if we got into the JASMY rant. So definitely you want to look and see if there is a scheduled unlock period of coins. If there is a scheduled unlock period of coins, then you're good to go. Like if they're like, hey, we're unlocking this amount every single month or this amount every single year, you're good to go. If they don't have anything like that, I would kind of be cautious because they could put like 1.9 billion coins in circulation and absolutely dilute the market cap. I'm not funding it. I'm not funding it whatsoever. I have no idea what it is. Okay, I just want to give you guys a little bit of a reference of prior experiences with coins. Now, all-time high was about a month ago at 285. All-time low was about 66 cents. The market is currently available on Coinbase, MEXC, KuCoin, so it's available on some big boys. It's definitely available on some big boys. So for Zeta right now, we currently are still bearish. We're actually going to the 4 hour so we get a little bit more candles. And then if you draw from the high to the low on the fibs, top to bottom, we actually broke below the 786. As of right now, we still are bearish as well. Even though we got a buy signal right here, we are starting to capitulate back down. Same with the RSI. We got a nice bottom. We're starting to capitulate back down. MACD is bearish. So I would be keeping an eye on Zeta for probably that 618 retracement, which is another 14% drop. And then if you go off the short-term fib from the high to the low, similar situation. I think we broke below the 618. Oh, we're right on it. We are right on it right now. So if we break below that, man, I'll zoom in even closer. You guys see that? You guys see that? You see that? Oh, we did break below. You guys see that candle right there? I'll make it a little bit bigger if you guys didn't see it, but you guys see that candle right there? It does look bearish, bro. It does look bearish here in the short term. I would be keeping an eye on probably a 10% correction. And then after that, I have no clue what's going to happen because it's only been out since February 1st. But right now it does look like a retracement. I would be keeping an eye on the prior all-time high, definitely, which is right around here. You do not want to break below that, which is $1.88. You break below $1.88, it's going to go much lower. So I'd say this is kind of a gamble play. Personally, I don't want you to sell your coins because you're listening to some dude on YouTube who scribbles on the screen. That's not what I'm here to do. I'm not here to make you FUD or fear your coins whatsoever, but personally, I would not be holding this coin, okay? And I'm not rich yet. If I was rich, I would not be doing YouTube, so take that with a grain of salt. We'll see what happens with Zeta. Oh boy, what do we have? Man, we've been streaming for an hour and a half already. Got some moon juice in here. So I started drinking mineral water. I heard that's really good for you. I've noticed with mineral water, it makes you pee a lot though. Does anyone here drink mineral water? I used to drink a bunch of this stuff right here. I used to drink a bunch of LaCroix, but then I stopped drinking that and started drinking mineral water, and this thing makes me pee so much. Does anyone else drink, like, what's it called? It's like the green bottle. I don't know what it's called. I really don't. Yo, we got Kevin in the house today. I said hi from Puerto Rico. When you get rich, you should visit. Dude, I would love to go to Puerto Rico with you, dude. Would love. Yeah, so I've actually made quite a bit of changes. I'm starting to cut back normal water. I'm drinking mineral water. I stopped drinking coffee. I drink tea now. I haven't drank alcohol in like a year and a half, 2 years. Just starting to do some positive things for my body, because outside of crypto, man, your body is your most important investment, man. That's your vehicle for life. Regardless if you think it's a meat suit or not, man, that's what you have to live in your whole life. That is your vehicle. So, I mean, if you don't treat your vehicle well, you're going down to the shitter, right? You're going down the shitter. All right, guys, I am going to take a potty break, okay? I just started talking. I did say potty break. I did just drink a lot of mineral water, so I'm gonna take a little break. You guys chat amongst yourselves. Any super chats that come in, I will do a TA on them when I get back, but I really gotta go to the bathroom, so I'll be right back. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I am back. Hopefully you guys didn't miss me too much, right? During the last live stream, there was someone asking me, what type of material have I read and stuff like that. And I actually have my kind of library here of the material that I've read on charting material. So I'm not just a person who just like jumped on YouTube and started scribbling on the screen. I mean, I did start out like that, but I have done my research. There's a couple books here. I know we're kind of getting into like some teacher type stuff here, but I do recommend this book. Oh, you guys can't see it. Can you see it? One of the person in here has bought it. This is probably the best book for beginners. I'm not even kidding. I've read this book about 3 times. So if you're interested in TA, I'm not sponsored by this. I'm not sponsored by this whatsoever. I am just talking about this book. Definitely take a look at this book. It's called Trading Technical Analysis Masterclass. If you've done technical analysis before, it's going to be like preschool type stuff, but it's very informative preschool type stuff. It's double spaced and everything is very nice. And then the first book I ever read, and you guys are probably gonna laugh at me, was this one right here, Candlestick Charting for Dummies. Candlestick Charting for Dummies. This thing, once you read this thing, man, you're ready to start your own YouTube channel. I swear. Buy this book, read it, you can start your own YouTube channel. And then this one right here, like I just have a ton of books on my free time. You think I'm not doing anything? I'm actually just invested in charts. I'm invested in constantly learning. But this one right here is really good too. If you guys, it's called Chart and Logic. And then I haven't read this one yet. This one just came in. Trading strategies. It's day trading and swing trading, which I suck at. I absolutely suck at day trading and swing trading. So hopefully this book teaches me something. But there was someone last live stream asking me about the material that I read. And those are the four main things that I've read so far. But this one right here is really good. But you need to know your shit before you read this one. This one has a lot of language that beginning investors will not understand whatsoever. We don't have those books available in my country. Am I able to ship them to you? Join my Discord. If I'm able to ship them to you, man, I'll do it, because these things are like life-changing knowledge in these books. Yo, we got K again. What's the title and author? So if you join my Discord, hang on. Hang on. I gotta show myself real quick. Let me find it. 1 second. So if you join my Discord channel, which the link is below in the description, I have a section down here called Books I Read, and all of them are on here. I own every single one of these books right here. I have not added that technical analysis one right here because I just bought it. But if you join my Discord and go down to charting references and go to Books I Read, I have all of them right here. They have the name and everything like that of them. I mean, they're cheap. This one was only $7. And then this one right here was like 13. You know, this one here is 20. But if you're a first-time trader and you don't know any of the language, this one's the best one to read. Like if you don't know the language and stuff like that and you want to get a basic grasp, this one right here is the one to go to for real. Like I don't consider myself a master trader or anything like that, but even I know the language and stuff, and I still found this book very interesting. So join the Discord, links below in the description. Go down to Books I Read. All of it's down there. All the information to purchase these books. I get no type of reward, no type of funds for shilling these books whatsoever. I'm just trying to help you guys out. Get you guys some information so you can succeed on yourself. Yo, we got K for 2 says Peng, new meme coin with 100 million coins. With 100 million coins. Awesome. Let's see. If it's a new coin, I'm guessing it's not on. Oh, it is on Mexi. Right on. Oh, Shoab is so you can find it. So Shoab, if you can't purchase it, send me a DM. Maybe we can work something out where I can buy it and send it to you, because these are some pretty damn good books, and you really need to read them. Yo, Trick Rock is in my Discord too, man. We got some people in the Discord in the live stream that I don't know who they are. Username. Oh. Okay. I know who you are. Tricka. Okay, that makes sense now. That makes a lot of sense. Okay. Oh, my music stopped. So you said PENG 100 million. So we don't have that on CoinGecko yet. And then if you look on Deck Screener PNG, here we go. Oh, Penguin. Okay, I have heard about this coin. We have charted before too, apparently. It's crazy, man. I've charted so many coins that I don't remember crap about crap. I swear to God. Holy guacamole, dude. The last time we charted it was March 24th. Not March 24th. March 7th. And look at that run. Oh my God, I'm gonna puke. I am going to puke. If we would have bought that during the time I charted that, oh, it's off the screen. Oh my God, that's a 10x. That's disgusting. That is disgusting, dude. That's why the meme coins, man. The meme coins are where the money's made. The meme coins are where you're gonna get wrecked, and the meme coins are where you'll make your money. That's why I'm in Ever, Baby Pepe, and Baby Bong. Those are my meme coins. I don't gamble in the super degenerate meme coins, but I play some good ones. So Peng right now is currently back down below the 0.5. We definitely topped out and been putting in lower highs and lower lows since. As you can tell right here, we've been putting in lower highs and lower lows. MACD is pretty indecisive right now, which is actually bullish. When you see a MACD like this, guys, this is just a little bit of a learning experience. If you see a MACD indecisive like this, that means it's gearing up for a large move. Like, for real, it's gearing up for a large move. Which direction? That depends on the direction that it's in right now. And unfortunately, this direction is bearish. But normally when you see the MACD pretty indecisive, that means there's a large move about ready to happen. And then you see the RSI, which is pretty retraced. We kind of got a double bottom right here, one bottom, two bottom. So I would be keeping an eye on this possible 382 test at around 70-80 cents. And then hopefully at that point, we see a very large reversal to the upside and the continuation. I have no idea what this coin is about, but obviously it's going to the effing moon. We're down 30% today, but when you run up 10x, you're going to be seeing some pretty large corrections. That's just part of crypto, right? That PNG is not, this isn't PNG, brother. This is PENG. And if you're interested in PNG, I just uploaded one about 2 hours ago, so you can watch that. This is Penguin, PENG. Twitter. March 14th. They're very active on the Twitter, which is awesome. This is my test. There's 38 people in here now. There's probably quite a few repeats that have been here before, but this is my test before investing in any sort of meme coin, because meme coins are very hard to invest in. Which ones to get in, which ones not to invest in. The first thing I do is check their website. You know, don't judge a book by their cover. I judge meme coins by their website cover. I swear to God, if they have a shitty website, I'm done. I'll move on to the next one. If their website looks like absolute garbage, I won't even touch it. And this actually looks pretty effing solid. This one actually looks pretty effing solid. I've seen some absolute garbage stuff, and this one actually looks pretty good. So PNG looks good. The next thing I do is I look at their socials. Are they active in their Twitter and stuff like that? Because meme coins are a community coin. Regardless of if there's a dev or stuff like that, meme coins are a community coin, guys. For real. You think a dev is going to push an absolute shit coin named Peng to $1 billion? No, it's the community behind it that does it. And if they're not engaging with the community on social media, then I'm not interested in investing in that coin. But they are on Peng, very active on their social media, which is awesome, which is very awesome. That's very promising. And the next thing I do is I jump on their Telegram and I kind of act as I fly on the wall. We're not going to click the Telegram link because it's going to pull up all my channels that I follow. But that's the next thing I do. So overall, I mean, we had a very, very nice run on Peng. I think what we're going to experience is a double bottom, the next reversal to the upside. It does not look bad whatsoever. We're at a $95.1 million market cap right now. I don't think this thing's done running yet whatsoever. So solid play, solid play. It's just a normal correction after an absolutely parabolic move to the upside. I love looking at charts that make you puke because you charted it but never bought in. I've done it so many times. Yeah, man, it's disgusting. The crazy part is, man, there's millions of coins out there, and there's probably so many that we don't even look at that are out there, but it's part of the game, man. You're to find charts like that. You're to look at a coin, like even you probably won't chart a coin, but you're probably looking. There's probably a coin in your mind right now. I'm gonna guess. There's probably a coin in your mind you're thinking about getting in, and you're not gonna get in. And then you're gonna come back in a month and it's up 20x, and you're like, what the F? Like guaranteed. Anybody in here, there's probably a coin that you saw that you're thinking about investing in, that if you come back in a month, it's gonna be up 20-30x. It's disgusting. It's disgusting. Elmo ERC took a big hit today to the downside, same as Rocky. I got some more coins in this dip. Yeah, Elmo, man, we covered Elmo. Elmo's good. Elmo ERC is pretty good in my personal opinion. Yeah, we're seeing dips. The market's red. The market is red, brother. And meme coins tend to absolutely shit the bed hard when the market's red. Yeah, dude. I mean, you shot up. What did we do? We shot up a huge amount. You did a 10x, so obviously you're due for a large correction. And we're not completely bearish yet. We're not bearish until we break below our prior high, which is down here at 007, which if you look at it, that's approximately another 37% drop. Not saying we're going down there, but just be prepared, man. Make sure you have your water and diaper packs packed because it could be a bumpy ride. Top to the bottom right here, what we're currently experiencing is a support off the 382. If we break below the 382, our next drop is down to that 007 area, which I mentioned. If we look at the 4 hour, the 4 is not looking bad. We're starting to roll over our bearish momentum, which means our bearish momentum is weakening. RSI seems to have bottomed. So in the short term for Elmo, it does look like we found a bottom here at the 382 at around 001. So if you look at the pattern that we've been forming since February of 2024, we've been doing high, low, higher, high, higher, low, higher, high, higher, low, higher, high, higher, low. So our next higher high should bring us up to that 1618 at around 3 cents. So in my personal opinion, it does look like Elmo has bottomed, but I still would be cautious on it. But it does look like Elmo has bottomed and is on the way to working its way to a higher high. When you sell Elmo, 10% of it goes. Wow, I did not know that. When you sell Elmo, 10% of it goes to the burn wallet. That is awesome. This coin right here, when you sell, 5% goes to holders and 3% goes to the LP. How crazy is that? So it's like, hey, I'm a whale, I'm selling, and you try to tank the coin. It's pretty much anti-whale. It's or anti-G resistant. You sell, 5% goes to reflection, 3% to LP. But yeah, Elmo doesn't look bad. It definitely looks like it bottomed right here. Not financial advice, but I'd be buying right now if I had Elmo. All right. 40 bogeys in the chat. Yo, we got quite the active chat going on today. So I tried to chart. So this is how it goes, guys. If you're new to the chat, it goes super chats get priority, and then members, you see how Kevin has that green BTC next to his name? Members get priority, try to request after that. And then after that, I go to the community and I just pick a random coin that I see. So if you want coins charted, it goes super chat gets top priority, membership gets second priority, and then the people spamming in the chat get third priority. It's just the name of the game, man. People supporting the channel get the coins charted. So that's why Kevin got Elmo charted. I'm new to the Discord. Do you have to do the verification thing? Yeah, so if you're new to the Discord, which it looks like you are, you're probably in here. If you're new to the Discord, all you have to do, I'm guessing Grizz is already on it right now, 339. So I don't know who these people are, but all you have to do is click the verification. It's very easy to verify. I have no idea what it is because I'm already verified, but verify and then you'll have access to the rest of the chat, guys. Bro, always. That's why I've been being a DJ in the same breath. I'm a homeowner, but I love to gamble. I'm a homeowner too, brother. And so far, we'll keep this between us on the live stream. I've made enough to pay off my house already during this bull run, but I'm a greedy MFer. I am a greedy MFer and I want some more. So the bull run hasn't fully blown off yet. So that is what I'm banking on right now. And I'll be fully transparent with you. My portfolio is straight degen coins. Like it's baby bonk, it's baby Pepe, and it's ever earned. Those are the ones, man. So I know I have enough, like I just said, I do have enough to pay off my house right now, but you don't count it. Like it does not count until you cash out. Until you cash out, it's all fake money, guys. Like just think about that. It's all fake money. You can look at your portfolio on your screen and it has a dollar amount, but that's not yours until you cash out. It's not yours until you cash out. That's the thing. So I'm not counting my eggs before they're hatched whatsoever. I'm just trying to play the game properly. And we're just at the start of the bull run. So my bet is that my coins go much, much higher than what they currently are. My goal is to retire this cycle, man. I'm done working the 9 to 5. I have to do 9 to 5. And like Monday through Friday plus weekends. I've been doing that for way too long, and my goal is to make enough money where I don't have to do that, man. All I want to do is chart crypto, hang out with people, go to the gym. I have a large amount of property. I farm. I have a large garden, a large berry patch, and stuff like that. I just want to be outside, be very active, and just disassociate myself from all the bullshit in the world. That's my goal. And if crypto can make me reach that goal, I will gladly not cash out now to pay my house off to make some more money to do that. So that's the game plan, brothers. That's the game plan. We're all going to make it. Unfortunately, everyone in here isn't going to make it, but a majority of us are going to make it, okay? All you have to do is diamond hand. Coins dip 35%. Like, I've been in this game since 2017, so I know people say this and they probably say it to sound cool, like I'm effing numb to it. I really am numb to it. I'll be fully transparent with you guys. I lost $100,000 last week. Like, my portfolio was up massively, and this dip brought it down $100,000, and I don't feel anything. It's kind of disgusting. It's kind of disgusting, but I haven't sold anything. I haven't done anything. I'm just sitting here. I'm just sitting here because I know how the market works, but yeah, I don't feel anything. Some people will probably feel absolutely disgusted after that, but it is what it is. When you're in this market long enough, it just numbs you. It just numbs you, which probably isn't a healthy thing. Which probably isn't a healthy thing whatsoever. My goal is to make it this bull run so I don't have to chart crypto anymore, and all I can do is live streams. That's all I'll probably do. I'll probably be outside every single day. I'll be going to the gym. I'll be in my garden, be out in my field, you know, doing what I do outside, and then, you know, just doing live streams. And then during the winter time, we'll be bunkered in here, and that's when we'll really kick it off. But that's the game plan, guys. That is the game plan for the channel and for my life. So that's my goal. And then everyone wants, you know, $1 million car. I don't want $1 million car. All I want is a blacked out Tesla. I want a blacked out Tesla truck that I buy with Dogecoin. That's all. Like, for real. I know it sounds ridiculous. I want a blacked out Tesla truck with all the bells and whistles, and I want to pay with that bitch in Dogecoin. That's what I'm going to do, because Elon's going to be accepting payments in Dogecoin. I'm going to buy that bitch in Dogecoin too. It's going to be awesome. But that's the game plan. So we got Jay. Hang on. I gotta confirm some people in the Discord right now. It looks like we got quite a few new people joining. I'm gonna add Jay. Looks like Jay just joined, and Allie and Grizz are dealing with it right now. I'll verify you. There you go. So John is now verified in the Discord. All you other leeches, make sure you guys figure out how to verify yourself. Let's go, man. I just want my money. Where you guys at? Oh man, we've been on here. This is a long stream, guys. Hour 47. Usually I do like an hour 20, hour 30, but you guys are very entertaining tonight. So what do we want to look at? Let's look through some chats. What do we got? We got Conforma, yes, crazy. They sell good project. I don't shill it for no. I don't even know what you're talking about. TG Casino, Telegram Casino. Oh, Telegram Casino is on your screen already at the top of your screen next to the percentage gains. It sounds like you're shilling in the live stream, brother. So careful, because I will boot your ass. I'm not putting up with that. What else do we got? We got Grizz saying, which one are you? I have no idea. Ark says wag me for most of us, not all of us. Yo guys, give the homeboy some love and smash the like button. I appreciate it. Track gotta pull out before the dip. Absolutely, man. That is the plan. Watch the greed. That is probably one of the most what do I want to say? Probably one of the most important things, guys, is understanding the Euphoria's absolutely disgusting. I've been in this market for a while, and Euphoria still gets me. When my coins go parabolic, I feel invincible. You're not invincible. You are not invincible. So good check right there. Good check, because I am not invincible. You're not invincible. Make sure you have your shit in line. When you get to that Euphoria phase, it's going to be very, very, very tempting to just hold. And that's how you're to get wrecked. So have your game plan GTFO when you hit your goal, because man, greed is a dirty bitch, and it'll drag you back down. I swear to God it will. I've been there. I've done that. I'm not doing it again. I am not doing it again. I am done this time. For sure. For sure. 100% of people would feel sick over a 100K dump, but when you know the market will turn as a multi-million-dollar in gold bull run, you don't sweat it. Yeah, I mean, in my mind, I invested. In my mind, it's like a 10K investment. Like that's what I invested in. I won't sell my coins until it gets down to the initial investment. You know, I invested 10,000 during the bear market, and I'm up pretty damn good right now. And I'm gonna ride that bitch all the way down back down to 10,000, or I'm making my millions. That's the game plan this time. And hopefully I make those millions. I don't even need a million, dude. I don't need a million. Like, I'm not one of those people like, I'm holding for multi-million. I need $2 million, bro. I need $2 million. I don't need that, man. I need like $500,000, which with my portfolio, hopefully is easily doable. I mean, I'm already almost halfway there. So and that's off Dogecoin and Pepe, baby Pepe. I want 100, dude. Yes. The greenhouse, brother. I have greenhouses like written down on a sticky note next to my screen. I want a huge ass green. Like I have some property. I have a decent amount of property, a nice field. I do a lot of agriculture on my property, a lot of like homesteading. I love homesteading, man. My own syrup. I plan on getting bees. I have a huge garden. I have a huge berry patch. I have apple trees. I grow my own mushrooms, believe it or not. Not magic mushrooms, but I do grow my own mushrooms and stuff like that, like lion's mane and stuff like that. I grow that type of stuff. I have my own tea garden, believe it or not. I grow my own tea. So I would not mind having a greenhouse. That is in the plans. A huge ass greenhouse, because during the winter time, even if you don't have that bitch circulated with heat and stuff like that, like regulated, you can still grow root vegetables. You can still grow root vegetables in wintertime in a greenhouse. So you can grow your carrots, beets, all that stuff in a greenhouse during wintertime. I know this is a crypto stream, but now we're getting off topic. But I love homesteading, guys. I absolutely love homesteading. That's like my my side hobby. Being self-sufficient and providing yourself. I talk to my plants. Do you do that? I don't talk to my plants, but look at this. Look at this. This is Carl. Oh, this is Carl. This is my plant in my office. He has a couple budlings, but this is Carl, guys. Everyone say hi to Carl. 1, 2, 3. Hi, Carl. He sits right here on the shelf. He provides me with clean oxygen in my office. But yes, I do have a plant named Carl. He listens to everything I say on the live stream, and he doesn't judge me whatsoever. Baby Pepe is probably going to $500 million market cap. Baby Bong's probably going to $1 billion. They're going to be some of the top baby coins this bull run. Every cycle, there are baby coins that do absolutely insane. And this cycle, Pepe is going to be one of the top dogs. It's never seen a bull run before. Bonk's going to be one of the top dogs. It has never seen a full-blown bull run before. Their babies of those big dogs normally run 10% of those big dogs market cap. I think baby Pepe is easily going to go to the $500 million, and baby Bonk's probably going to $1 billion plus. CC living in the dream. I'm not living in the dream whatsoever, brother. I swear to God, I'm not. I'm just like you. I'm just like everybody in this chat room. A normal guy. I still work a 9-to-5 job, and I absolutely effing hate it, probably like everybody else in this chat. I'm just a normal person. I have not made it yet. That's my goal. That is my effing goal. I wish I was living the dream. My dream would be waking up in the morning whenever I wanted, you know, taking my kid to daycare, hitting the gym in the morning, coming back, making a couple of videos, going outside, tending my plants, you know, maybe get some chickens and stuff like that, be outside for a couple hours, come back in, do a live stream, go pick up the kid, hang out with the family once everybody's home, have dinner, cook dinner. After there, if the family goes to sleep, maybe be on some crypto a little bit more, go to bed, rinse and repeat. That's the game plan. That is the game plan. Because if you think about it, working a job's kind of voluntary slavery. If you think about it, it's voluntary slavery. You're giving time out of your life for someone else to get money, like for someone else so you can get money. Is voluntary slavery. It's disgusting, and crypto gives you a chance to exit that. Crypto gives you a chance to exit that voluntary slavery. Kevin, I didn't know we had so many gardeners in the community. That, dude, are you guys all gardeners too? Am I missing something? If you guys are all gardeners, I should make a gardening section. Like, I think I might. I think I really might make a gardening section in the Discord. I think that's awesome. I love it. I absolutely love it. It sounds crazy, but I do. I do. What do you think about ACH? We did ACH at the beginning, brother. Just zoom back. Oh yeah, man. My wife grew up with her family gardening, so she absolutely hates it. Like her family made her like weed all the plants and all that shit. So she doesn't like garden. She knows her stuff about it, but she doesn't like it. So it's mostly me. But I really don't give an F, man. I'll be out there, I'll have some music playing, you know, I'll be sitting in the dirt, weeding some plants, you know, plucking my cucumbers, plucking my tomatoes, checking my blueberry bushes, checking my apple trees out in the hot sun, man. That is the life right there. Instead of sitting here, you know, slaving away in front of the effing screen. That's my goal. That's my goal. And then on top of that, man, you know, there's no pesticides in that bitch. There's no pesticides unless you sprayed it. It's all healthy, man. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna retire. I'm gonna retire off crypto and just homestead. You know, there's a river in my backyard. I fish that. I get fish. So I got my protein off my fish. I got my vegetables. I got a deep freezer. I can freeze all that shit, man. If you know, if World War III comes, you don't have to worry about trying crypto. I got it all set. I was gonna say I got my guns and everything too, but we're not gonna get into that. I am set, brother. I am set. I am set for World War III, man. I'll just bunker in here. I'll bunker in here and just live off my land. Oh man, what's going on? Let's see the chat, man. We kind of went off topic there, but you know, that's always fun. That's how you get to know people. But for real, I am going to add a garden group. I am going to add a garden group to the Discord. So if you guys like gardening, that is a great effing idea. If you guys like gardening, make sure you join the Discord. So we're gonna have a gardening group and we're going to see who can grow the biggest pumpkin. Same here. My wife grew up in the Philippines. She knows her plants, but I'm the one taking care of the plants. Right, man? That's how it always. I bet she cooks pretty damn good food too. My wife cooks pretty damn good food too. You know, the people who are pretty handy with their hands and gardening at a younger age are pretty familiar with cooking food. Oh, so what's pumping? Back to crypto, man. We had like a half an hour intervention right there. That was awesome. That was awesome. Yo, book of memes. What the F is this? Oh, adobo chicken, man. That stuff is delicious. I love me some adobo chicken. For real. Adobo chicken is effing awesome. Book of meme, $1.2 billion market cap. What is this? Gate.io, Maxi. Wow, it's a Solana coin that went mainstream. Uh-oh. Ah, it's too new. Too new. Robert DeVoe, all the memes I'm watching are mostly going back. Oh, I can't see, they're back up the past hour. Yeah, I mean, everything's pretty much red right now. I know you can go on here and click cryptocurrencies and stuff like that and see green, but the market's red right now, guys. There's nothing to worry about. Everything is down, and obviously meme coins and stuff are down larger. Nothing to fret about. I mean, if you look at the top 100, there's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 coins. There's only 11 coins in the top 100 that are green today. CC, let's start a gardening permaculture thread in the Discord. Hell yeah, I'm 100% on board with that. I really am going to do that. I really am going to do that in the Discord. We're going to start a gardening section. We're going to share all our shit. It's going to be awesome. It really is going to be awesome. Good stuff. Good stuff. Yeah, I'm going to play this real quick just because I feel like it. I'm going to get to wave 3 this time, guys. trick's just dodging them. If you can get the flamethrower, oh shit. The flamethrower is just OP on this. Oh, come on. 2 seconds left. Oh shit. Oh shit. There we go. Oh, I can't. Oh, what do we got here? Fried chicken, candle increases your max HP. I would love my man. I want the flamethrower, dude. I really, really want a flamethrower. Flamethrower is just OP. Damn it. Not good. Not good. I do not want another knife. We have to go through wave 2 with what we have, guys. I rarely make it through wave 2. I rarely make it through wave 2, guys. This is my technique. Just do the diamond pattern and dodge them. Oh no, run. Oh shit, man, I just effed myself. Oh, I suck. Oh yeah, so the thing is, there's a bunch of FLOKI, there's a bunch of FLOKI following you, and then they have dog with hat on wave 3, and they have Myro, and they have all those meme coins following you, dude. Like, for real. What do you do on your day job? I manage a commercial print factory. You guys know Pokemon cards, how they have shininess and they're die cut and everything like that? I run that shit. I'm in charge of that shit. I have way too many Pokemon cards. Yeah, so this is FLOKI. I want to show you guys our dog with hat. Dog with hat comes in at wave 3. I posted the link in the description if you guys wanted to play this. I'll post it after I lose here. So I suck at this game. Yeah, auto attacks, all you need to do is go up, down, left, right. And everything else is automatic. Yo, we're doing good. Oh, I just jinxed it. Damn it. Oh, come on. Oh, shit. Okay, let's get some coins. Flamethrower, where are you at? USB cable, charge up your spirit, increase armor by 1. We will take that. Rifle, we will take that as well. Reroll. Happy emoji, you're happy. Movement speed +5. Don't have enough money, so let's go. We're gonna try to make an all-time high right here. I want to show you guys dog with hat. You guys can try to beat CC's high score, and then we'll get back to some TA. We're kind of just taking an intervention, man. I have nothing to do tonight, so this is kind of a nice break for myself. Instead of just staring at the screen, we can play some games, and then we'll get back to the TA. But right now, man, we're killing it. Those rifles are disgusting, I swear. It's pretty much a cheat code. And this is completely free to play. You don't need to, oh shit. You don't need to own any NFTs or anything to play this. It's pretty cool. That was an easy round, wasn't it? Bazooka, I don't want the bazooka. I want the flamethrower. 50% movement speed. I want the flamethrower. I'll take another rifle, I guess. See, there's dog with hat. Did you see that? That was dog with hat that came towards me. Right there. Dog with hat's attacking me. So you have Whiff and FLOKI right now currently attacking me. Oh man, we're gonna break the all-time high score, I swear to God. Where the F's my flamethrower? Jesus, you saw barely. I think this is the best I've ever done on this game. You guys are witnessing it live. Oh, I have dog with hat and FLOKI currently attacking me. Oh, there we go. Wave 5. I've never made it past wave 5. Oh my goodness. Okay, we got 60. I want a flamethrower. Where is my flamethrower? Oh God, I don't think I'm gonna get it. A large lump of useless coal that gives you enough motivation to splash. Okay, we'll try it. I only have about 2 hits left and I die. Oh, 1 hit left until I die. It's just getting insane now. Oh, get it, get it, get it. There we go, there we go. Come on, are we gonna make it to wave 6 or what? This is seriously the furthest I've ever made it. Oh shit, I just jinxed myself. I'm gonna die. The crazy part is there's no health revival whatsoever. So when you get hit, you are hit the entire rest of the game. We did it. Wave 6. Wave 6. Where's that flamethrower? Damn it. Ah. Wave 6, boys. Yo, Doge is attacking me. They introduced Doge. You see that? So now FLOKI, Doge with hat, and Doge are attacking me right now. That's pretty cool. I never made it this far. Oh, 1 more hit and I'm dead. I'm dead. Uh-oh. Yo, I made it! I made it! Yeah! There we go, there we go. Give me the effing flamethrower, man. Ah! Okay, I'm probably not gonna make it past this round, guys. Just want to be fully transparent with you guys. Yo, we were just murking them. I know you guys want TA, man, but I think this is better than TA. You're watching a legend in the making. We're gonna get the all-time high score on this bitch. Pardon my French. Let's go. Give me the effing flamethrower already. It's not mine, it's from the tiers. 5 damage, 5 armor, 66. F yeah, let's go for it. I'm seriously at one more hit and I'm dead though. So yo, let's go. Let's go. This is seriously the furthest I have ever made it on this game. I can't believe it's on the live stream. That's absolutely insane. That is absolutely insane. Oh. Yo, just give me a flamethrower. Look at this damage buff we got going on here. Look at this damage buff we got going on. 21%. F yeah. We got 4 rifles and 1 knife. That's our game plan, apparently. I can't wait. I can't make it past wave 9, can I? Are they gonna introduce new characters? We got Dog with Hat. We got FLOKI. We got Doge. What other characters are there? Oh no! Oh man! Yo, I'm second. I'm second. Here, if you guys want to play this game right here. And that's the link. Well, that was a great, it really was. Well, there's the link to play the game. You have to use a browser though. As of right now, it's not available on mobile. You have to be on a computer to play it. But come at me, bro. Come at me, bro. Come get my high score. I almost made #1. That's insane. 1.17. That is insane. Is Doge a good buy right now? Well, I can't give financial advice. No, Doge is bearish right now, brother. Doge wants to go down. Oh, hang on. We're on the 618 support right now. So if we don't bounce here off 14, we're gonna go much lower. Unfortunately, indicators are still super hot. So you could extend your fib a little bit further, which is down to this low right here, and say the next support is around 12 to 13 cents. I think this is the better play right here. I think Doge is probably going down to the 618 right here at around 12.7 to 13 cents before reversal. So do I think it's a better buy? Not financial advice, but I would not be buying it right now. I'd be waiting for another, 10% correction to that 618, and then that'd be an optimal time to pick it up. Okay, good sir. Good night from PR. Thanks for stopping in, Kevin. I appreciate the super chats and stuff, brother. Glad to have you aboard. YFI to the moon, right? Didn't we charted YFI today, dude? Thanks, dude, for the non-financial advice. Yo, where's Wi-Fi? Yeah, there it is. I was gonna say Wi-Fi is way the F down here. Yeah, we tried it. Didn't we have a Wi-Fi video today? Hang on. No, we didn't upload Wi-Fi today. Oh, I have a poop emoji. I haven't charted this since March of 2023. Just imagine this. Imagine making a YouTube channel thinking, hey, everyone's making money off a YouTube channel, but it's the top of the bull run. And then running your YouTube channel throughout the entire bear market while everyone's not watching and everything's going down. That's where you find your real viewers. And that was me. That was me. I made my channel at the top last bull run. Now it's time to reap my reward, right? Insane. So currently on the lifelong fib Wi-Fi, we are above the 236. MACD, RSI, and WTX are unfortunately bearish. So this bad boy better effing hold us up, or we're going to be falling off the table. If we do fall off the table, there is a pretty heavy support area right down here on the convergence of approximately 7,029. Wow, this thing's at $9,000. What the F is this? YFI. You're in finance, right? Yeah. Yeah, this thing surpassed BTC last time. That's insane. That's insane. I would keep an eye on this 8,000, 9,000 support area. If that breaks, we're heading down to around 7,000. So if this does hold, that'd be a good reversal area back to the upside. Unfortunately, all the indicators are overbought right now on Wi-Fi. Even if we look at the short-term time frame is calling for a pullback as well. So we don't want to fall below 9,000, okay? Dragon Sharp says Grok. Well, Grok to the moon. I haven't charted it in a hot minute, apparently. We had a green box. Yeah, Grok right now, we broke above the 786. That's where we saw some very bullish momentum, which was the prior high back in March of 2024, a little bit earlier this month. I would be expecting probably a retracement back down to that 786 at around 1.3 cents. Indicators are bearish right now. We're making larger engulfing candles on the bear side of the MACD. RSI seeing a pretty steep retracement right now, as well as the WTX seeing a pretty steep drop. So I would not be surprised whatsoever if Grok capitulated approximately another 15% more to the 786, which from there we will be seeing a bounce off from there. And we have been bullish since February 2024. High, low, high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low. It's just a normal repeat pattern, even though short-term traders don't see it that way. When in doubt, zoom out. Grok's extremely bullish. I think it's going to perform exceptionally well this bull run. Ahmad Tech, Baby Blanc, where will it go? Baby Blanc will easily overtake $500 million market cap. They're aiming for $2 billion. I don't know if they'll hit $2 billion, but I think Baby Blanc during the hype of the bull run will easily overtake $500 million market cap. Easily. Baby Blanc to the moon. Oh shit. All right, guys. So we've been streaming for 2.5 hours now. I'm tired. It was a good stream, but we are going to end the live stream. So I appreciate everybody coming out and supporting the channel. We are going to start. After this, I am going to start the gardening section in the Discord. So if you're a gardener, make sure you join the Discord channel, because I love gardening. I love gardening. I love it. So we're going to start a gardening channel in the Discord where we can share our vegetables, tips and tricks, and show off our tomatoes and stuff like that. It's not really crypto related, but you know what? The community is what makes crypto fun. So you can find the link below in the description. I appreciate everybody tuning in tonight, supporting the channel, all the super chats, all the people commenting. I know I didn't get to every single coin, but you know, it's very hard getting to every single coin when there's so many comments and so many requests. That's why the members and super chats always get priority. But after the live stream, I always chart super chats in the comments on my YouTube. So if I'm not live streaming, you want a coin charted, send a super chat in the comments on one of my videos. I get your coin charted within 24 hours. But I appreciate everybody tuning in tonight, supporting the channel, and I hope you guys have a great Saturday, or if you're in Sunday right now, because some people already are in Sunday. If you have a great Sunday right now, you know, if you go to church, have a blessed time. And I'll talk to you guys tomorrow on Charting Crypto. Thanks, everybody.
Let's go now.